friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we are at the library. That's my favorite place, and finally the libraries are open back to normal. Like they were open before but not as it is now, and they are having kids program as they used to have before, because during the pandemic time they were like all the activities, they were just giving out the activity bags and we were taking them home. But now finally they are having it back in the library, and today I brought the kids with me because there's gonna be a fun activity for the kids. They have been here after a long time and to attend the special activity that is planned for kids. And now their story time has started, and one of the librarians, she is reading a story to the kids. This small area is particularly they have kept for the kids to have these programs. Sometimes they invite jugglers or some different people from different places, and mostly it's like arts and crafts or some DIY or like story time and some different kinds of activities they plan. Sometimes they have music sessions or they try out different musical instruments. So that particular area is for the specifically for the kids activities. And while the kids are having fun over there, I'm just gonna hang out here and look around and see the books. This library is not very big. Actually, it's just a branch area library which is very close to our home, and it's very convenient to come here. I have made like few videos before going to the library, but that was the regional library which is very big, and during the pandemic that was almost empty and the time limit was only half an hour, so we could only use the library for half an hour. But now the restrictions are eased, so we don't have to go through the checkpoint or screenings, and we can just come in and spend as much time as we can. And I think masks are still required, but mostly the other restrictions have been eased, and it's fun to spend time in the library. And they still have these boxes in between the computers so that the people can social distance. And now kids here have started on their activity. They are making something, the materials are given out to them so they can design or decorate, create whatever they want. They are given some instructions. And today Monkey is also visiting the library with Abisha because they like to hang out together and they want to do some activity or be creative. So Monkey is very creative just like Abisha is. So they are having fun. It's a very nice cute little area for the kids, and they can just like play here and have fun. And there are a lot of colorful and interesting books as well, so I guess it's very attractive place for the kids as well. I guess some of all of us friends are hanging out here too. I hope you enjoyed today's video and enjoyed hanging out with me at the library. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as well so you can get notification of my new videos. Keep smiling and bye bye.